Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Today I want to discuss with you 4 tips to remove crawl space odors. Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about air quality, odors, and crawl spaces, basements, and we hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell, and also follow us on Facebook. No matter how many videos we do about crawl space odors, we always tend to get back and forth with people in the comments about what actually causes the crawl space odor. So I'm going to share with you 4 areas that you can look for in your crawl space to see if you potentially have an odor problem so that you can correct it. One of the first things that I got called out to whenever I was doing crawl spaces in the beginning was this huge odor problem that this homeowner had. It was an open vented crawl space. They had black plastic down. It was just basically a contractor style crawl space. And they had all of this horrible odor coming up into their bathroom. So I go in there and I'm looking around, the insulation is between the joists, I'm taking a look at everything, pulling insulation back. Finally, I come across an area of the crawl space, not even directly under the toilet. I pull the insulation back and there is black, gushy, nasty stuff all up above the fiberglass. And that was the reason why the homeowner had odors in their crawl space. So if you have fiberglass insulation, I would recommend that you go down there, especially around your toilets and your water sources from above, pull the insulation down a little bit and check for black molds and gush and wetness up above that fiberglass, because that could be storing odors that are leaching into your house. Of course, we have a lot of videos about cat pee vapor barrier. Now, not all vapor barrier out there produces a cat urine odor if it's reinforced, but we have come across many crawl spaces in our areas that do install fiber reinforced vapor barrier that can potentially create a smell. So if you're getting a cat urine-like odor, an ammonia odor, that would be the second place I would check. Do you have a reinforced vapor barrier? Even many of the companies out there that manufacture these vapor barriers guarantee no cat pee odor, but here's the problem I have with that. Are you gonna risk installing a reinforced vapor barrier with that guarantee? Because I guarantee you they're not gonna cover the labor to take out the old reinforced vapor barrier and install a new non-cat pee vapor barrier. So you wanna be careful with the type of vapor barrier you're using in your crawl space. So if you're getting some kind of odor, I would definitely check to see if you have a reinforced vapor barrier, and that is number 2. The third thing I would look at, depending on whether your house is older especially, is do you have multiple layers of plastic inside the crawl space? We've done many videos about inspections that we have done. We've gone in and lifted up the builder grade plastic, or even lifted up the encapsulated plastic that a professional installed. They'll leave all that old plastic and all the debris that's under that plastic inside the crawl space as they encapsulate. All of that should have been taken out before laying down the new plastic. So if you've recently had your crawl space encapsulated, or you noticed an odor after someone installed a new plastic, whether it was reinforced or not, I would certainly lift up that plastic, get access underneath it, and see if they left the old plastic and the old debris under there. And the fourth thing I would do to control odors, or even to remove odors in your crawl space, is I would install an active ventilation fan or a foundation fan like the Lamanco PCV1 foundation vent fan. We've done many videos on this product, and we've even had some great questions asked. One of the questions was an install question about how many vent fans you should have if you're going to encapsulate the crawl space. So I'm going to put a link to that down below. Basically, if you'll put some kind of active ventilation to blow air out of the crawl space all the time, the EPA recommends that you do that to control soil gases. It can also help control odors. So those are my 4 tips, or 4 things to look for to see if you have crawl space odors and get it corrected. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you like this video down below and hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.